Hi everyone, it's Marina here with an absolutely wonderful Mother's Day card. I made for you the templates to create this card and you can find the link to my blog down below in the description box. You have to print them and follow my tutorial to make this amazing card. First, we have to cut the templates. Of course, if you have circle cutting dies, you can use them as well. But this tutorial is so easy even for the beginners, and if you are one of them, you will find here simple steps to make this card. We take a piece of A4 thick paper and fold it in half. Then we take the template that says card base, put it down on the paper and slowly slips it up so it will stand out a little bit of the folded paper. I hope you understand what I mean. With a pencil, we trace the line all around and we cut. We take another piece of thick cardstock and trace a line all around again using the same template. We fold one half of the base where the easel will be attached. Then we put glue in the folded part or in the half of the circle for the easel and we glue it to the folded base. Now our base is ready and we are going to decorate it. We take the template that says decorative paper and use it to cut 2 circles. We use an ink pad if we want to ink our edges. We take the last templates and for the long strip we have to mark with our pencil the 4 points as you see here. So after that we are going to use a scoring tool to join these marks. So now we take the long strip and we cut all the way along in the score sections small triangles. It doesn't have to be perfect. We follow the same steps on the other side. I glue the long strip to the first circle to form a cylinder, and then I am going to glue the other circle on top. We are going to make a small greeting card, and because we want to stand up the hat, we are going to use foam tape to give a little dimension, so this little card will work as a stopping point. And now you decorate as you wish. I hope it was a helpful tutorial, and I'd love to leave me your comments on how you found my instructions. See you next time. Bye!